Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the multigrain, eggless, savory breakfast muffins flavored with Indian spices. To begin, sift together half a cup gram flour besan and half a cup whole wheat flour. Add in 2 tablespoons powdered oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon carom seeds, ajwain, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder dhania, and 1 teaspoon amchur dry mango powder. Mix well. Now add in the wet ingredients: 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 3/4 cup curd. Add half a cup water and mix. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger, finely chopped, and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Mix. Finally, add in half a cup mixed vegetables and fold them in. I have used carrots, beans, corn and capsicum. In the meantime, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Grease the muffin molds. And pour in the batter until 3/4 level. Tap once to remove the air bubbles. Top them with chopped onions, capsicum, and carrots. Press down gently. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until done. The multigrain, eggless, savory breakfast muffins are ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.